Hi, I'm Rachel Mills, and in today's drawing skills session we're going to be going over form. So form can be actual or implied. Implied form is a drawing and it looks like it's a real thing, it looks like it has dimension. Actual form is something like my pencil. This is actual form to it. It is actual dimension, actual shapes and everything. So to create the illusion of form, we use other elements such as line or value kind of within shapes, if you remember our last lesson about shapes. So that's what I'd like you to start with. I would like you to create some shapes and give them form. So once you've done some maybe organic shapes, maybe geometric shapes, we're going to do a still life thing again. But when you do this still life, I'd like you to use line to create form. I'm going to draw this old soup bowl. I want you to pay attention to the lines. But if you see, I'm paying lots of attention to the way the soup bowl curves. So once you've finished that, we're going to do our last exercise, which is a trompe-l'œil. Trompe meaning trick, l'œil meaning eye, so trick of the eye. So I'm just going to use these keys actually. What could be a good vantage point for yourself, which might be a bit easier, is to sort of try to draw it from above. But that will certainly make things easier for yourself if you try to do that. So you have to pay particular attention to shape and particular attention to value. I'm sure you get the picture. Hope you're having a good quarantine. Hope you're all staying safe, happy, healthy, and drawing lots.